So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on Kevin FX. So in today's video I would like to share my weekly forex forecast for GBPUSD and USD index. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, as you guys can see in my chart itself, USD index guys, okay, it was a great high. Okay, I expected market to retrace below, but yet market created a higher high guys, okay, a new high right now, 103.88. I mentioned the zone 103 guys, but market give us another new high guys. Okay, so yeah, what's my move for USD index guys? Okay, after a great high guys, okay, after a great buying pressure on USD index, right now I'm expecting a selling pressure. Okay, I'm expecting a sell pressure, but guys, remember, next week we are having FOMC news guys. Okay, FOMC news, it can be positive or it can be negative guys. Okay, so if you are willing to trade during the news, okay, it's very risky because there are some inflation news right now in USD index which can cause dollar to drop. Oh, right now their sales, okay, their job employment guys, okay, the unemployment rate was nothing guys, it was neutral. So as you guys can see, unemployment rate, from the unemployment rate side we can see USD index is quite good, but from the inflation side, from what I studied from the news guys, okay, from my analysis, from my research, it's bad for USD index. So either news guys, either they can tell about the job and news or about the inflation guys. Okay, this can determine the market's movement guys. Okay, so if you are willing to trade during the time, what you have to do, simple thing guys. Okay, follow your money management. Okay, don't go full margin, make sure to set your stop loss guys. Okay, as you guys can see, GBPUSD from 100, I mean from 1.30 guys. Okay, right now market's at 1.24, it's almost 6,000 points guys. Okay, 6,000 points. Some of you guys from message me personally in Instagram. Okay, some of you guys made profit there. Okay, I have a trader here. Okay, I think he said that I can say his name. I think it's Matthew, if I'm not mistaken. Matthew made 185 pips from the drop guys. Okay, you might be wondering how he made. Okay, you guys know market continuously drop. Okay, but he, from what I get to know, that he watched my video. I never teach him anything guys. Okay, he shared my analysis. He said one thing, I follow my money management. Okay, market went 1,000 pips. Okay, market went he placed a buy. Okay, market went 1,000 pips down, he closed it, the order. Okay, he closed his order. Just listen to this guys. Okay, he closed his order. Okay, so I don't know, if he placed 1 cent, he would have ended up losing $10. Okay, 10 cent, $100, $1, $1,000. Okay, it's not my point here guys. Okay, the point is he managed to make that $100 and with another extra 85 pips guys. Okay, so he managed to cover his loss, and he managed to make profit 85 pips guys. Okay, so 185 pips he made his profit from the sell guys. Okay, he analyzed the market retraced a bit up, he saw the zone. Okay, the resistance zone. Okay, the support which has been broken right now, it's acting as a resistance. That's what I will be telling you guys. So he saw the zone, he went inside, he made his profit, he shared to me. I was very happy to see guys. Okay, so I'm not bragging here saying that he watched my video, he made his profit. I'm trying to say here is he followed his money management guys. Okay, the important thing here is he followed his money management during this time guys. Okay, a lot of you guys would have played buy around the support. Even myself, I placed a buy. I know the market can break, but yet I placed a buy to make some profit. So as you guys can see here, I was a bit greedy. Okay, but I ended up losing it guys, around 30 to 40 pips. My stop loss. Okay, my stop loss is hit guys. Okay, so yeah, as I saw the index also, it shows that 70% of you guys, from mistaken, placed buy around the support. I don't know how many of you guys would have wiped out your account, or to those who placed stop loss, you guys would have managed to secure, managed to lose partial amount of a profit guys. Okay, so yeah, make sure to follow your money management guys. Okay, yeah, make sure to follow your money management. So why did I say USD index is going to go down? As you guys can see, market reaches high right now. So I'm expecting market, okay, after market breaks this zone here, 102.3. Okay, market reaches high. So right now I'm expecting market to drop guys. Okay, I'm expecting market to give me a structure like this. Okay, possibilities are there for market to give us a structure like this guys. Okay, so you guys can see market moved up. I'm expecting market to come down, retest this zone, and then move up guys. Okay, so you guys can see once market breaks this zone, market retest this zone, and this was a stop loss hunting here, as you guys can see, and then market started shooting up guys. Okay, and as you guys can see, market went up here. Okay, this is quite small. Market went up here, market came down, retest, market was retesting the zone, and then market broke guys. Okay, so yeah, that's why guys, I'm expecting market to retest right now guys. Okay, to move up, retest, and then market continues up movement guys, if the news are good. Okay, remember FOMC news, it's a very important news. Okay, so trade properly guys. Okay, trade properly, don't lose your money guys. Okay, that's your hard-earned money, don't lose it guys. Okay, if you never made money that day, just leave it, guys. Okay, you have tomorrow to make money. It's not that you have to make money every day, guys. This is not how a market works, guys. Okay, the advertisement you are watching out there, okay, traders making $300 within 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, that's nothing, guys. Okay, it's your trade. Okay, they might be taking a bigger risk, guys. Okay, they take a big risk. Okay, they might ended up losing it or they might gain it. If they gain it, they are posting it. If they lose it, they won't be posting it, guys. Okay, they are taking a risk. That's why I don't want you guys to go through the same pressure, guys. Okay, so yeah, my move is I'm expecting US index to come down to a retest around 102.3 and then moving up, guys. Okay, pattern like that can happen. Oh, right now if the news is bad, okay, the inflation rate, as you guys can see in the market itself, inflation rate, if the inflation rate happens, we can expect market to come down, guys, breaking the support, retest, and then coming down, guys, to this zone here. As you guys can see, that's an indicating candle here, guys. Okay, IC indicating candle. Okay, not your identification card, guys. Okay, IC indicating candle. So we can expect market to come to this zone also, guys, and then market to move up. Okay, there's potential, guys, because why market has reached a high. If market reach a high, you have to sell the market at a high, buy the market at a low. That's how the market works. That's the concept. Okay, but sometimes market can break a high and then market can create a high, new high around 104, 105, 6, who knows, guys. Okay, that's why in this situation, stop loss SL is very important, guys. Okay, SL is very important. You have to follow this, guys. SL is very important. Okay, guys, if my voice is not very clear, because right now I'm doing this video outside, guys. Okay, so there are a lot of sounds. If my voice is not clear, if you guys have any doubt, make sure to comment down in the comment box below, guys. Okay, so yeah, right now I'm expecting a decent drop on USD index and then a market to move up, guys. Okay, with that said, let me move on to GBP. Okay, for pound, yeah, after a nice drop, guys. Okay, I advise you guys, if market reach around this zone, I told you guys to take a sell, but what happened is market never reached, guys. Okay, market never reached, market went down, market break all of the support, guys. Okay, and market created a new support right here. Okay, and now right now market's moving up, guys. As you guys can see, market did engulf this candle. Okay, there are potential move. Okay, there are potential move for market to move up, and as you guys can see, we saw a rejection here. So guys, okay, around the zone, there's a rejection. Okay, let me screenshot this zone first. I'm doing this screenshot, I'm drawing to make sure you guys understand the market fully, guys. I don't want you guys to understand it half and then go inside and then struggle, go through the stress, trauma, everything, guys. Okay, I'm not the kind of person, guys. Okay, I want you guys to make sure understand it fully. So as you guys can see, market right now is struggling to break this zone. Okay, if market breaks this zone, then we can expect a potential movement to this zone around 127 1 till 6, guys. Okay, till 6, around this zone, guys. Okay, if market breaks, or if market fails to break the zone. Okay, let me undo this first. If market fails to break the zone, let me zoom. Okay, if market fails to break the zone, then we can expect market to come down, guys. Okay, market fails to break the zone, we can expect market to, okay, market can retest and then market can come down till where, till the zone here. So you guys can see this zone here, we can expect market to come to this zone here around 1.24500. Okay, if you are willing to take a sell, you guys can place your sell. If you want a confirmation, okay, this is the confirmation, guys. Okay, this is a resistance right now. If you see a candle doing a pattern like this, okay, this is a candle. Okay, this is a candle that shows that market is failing to break a zone. Okay, it can be either resistance or the support. Okay, for the resistance, okay, if it is the resistance, you can see a candle like this, guys. Okay, a shooting star candle. Okay, shooting star, this is what they call it in the market. But if it's in the support, you can see a pattern like this, guys. Okay, market's pushing up, a candle something like that. Okay, my drawing sucks, guys. Okay, if you have any doubt, just comment me in the comment box below, guys. Okay, a candle like this, okay, with a high doji here, guys. Okay, high shadow here, shadow or doji. There's a lot of terms in the market, guys. Okay, so yeah, if it's the market's in a resistance, we can expect a candle like this. Okay, if a candle happens like this, then that's our confirmation to take a sell, guys. Okay, if a candle happens like this, then that's a confirmation for us to take a buy at the support, guys. Okay, this is at the resistance. Okay, so yeah, that's why, guys, there's two ways for the market to go if the market breaks. Okay, if you're willing to take your trade, you guys can take your trade. Okay, around here, if you see a pattern like this, okay, the candle that I said like this, okay, with a stop loss around 20 to 30 pips, guys. Okay, if you are taking an order around 12600 for an example, okay, 126090, okay, 090, your stop loss can be around 126.4 or 126.390, somewhere there, guys. Okay, so yeah, you guys will be risking $30. Okay, 30 pips. 30 pips, if you are placing 10 cents, then that's $30. Okay, you guys will be risking 30 pips to make how much? This is almost 90 pips, guys. Okay, that's a very good amount, guys. Okay, so yeah, whatever is it, make sure to follow your money management properly, guys. Right now, markets in not markets, even as you guys can see here right now, market never finished in the support, guys. That's not a support. Okay, market can manipulate us, showing that market's creating a support, and market can break that zone and market can still go down, guys. There are potential areas. Okay, I'll tell you guys right now itself. Potential area around 123.3, okay, 122, and the pandemic zone, guys. This is there are chances very little for this to happen around 115, guys. Okay, so from 130 to 15, it's almost 15,000 points can drop, guys. Okay, market can go below there also to identify the zone. Who knows if USD index is quite strong, if the FOMC news, if the inflation rates are the better zone, guys. Okay, we can expect USD index to move up, okay, USD to move up, GBP to come down, guys. Okay, so there are potential to happen like this in next week. So whatever is it, follow your money management, guys. Okay, as I told you guys, follow your money management. Don't be greedy, guys. Don't be greedy. Just if you are making $1 a day, that's a huge thing, guys. Okay, if you're making $1 a day, so make sure to appreciate your money, guys. Okay, make sure to appreciate money, value your money, and go into the market with a full confident analysis, guys. Okay, so yeah, with that said, let me end today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Okay, in my last video I gained a huge views, guys. Okay, and around 327 subscribers, guys, out of 400. That's a huge thing, guys. Thank you for subscribing me, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe my channel, guys. My target is 400 views. So yeah, that's it. I'll end today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Adios and bye bye, guys.